Good morning, friends. So I have been in a bit of a slump lately. I just haven't been feeling my best mentally and physically. I've been feeling extremely overwhelmed lately, and I just haven't been taking care of myself very well. And whenever I get into these negative cycles, it can be really hard to get out of them and get into a better headspace. And today I woke up and I just decided that I want to do my absolute best to get back on track again, start taking care of myself again, and feeling a little bit better. So I decided to start my day by getting dressed and putting on a really cute outfit. Because I work from home, a lot of the time I will just wake up and stay in my pajamas all day. And I've noticed that I just don't feel super well whenever I do that. So today I wanted to put on something cute, and I want to go outside and get some sunshine because the past week and a half has been so gloomy. It's been raining pretty much every day. And even though I'm someone who loves the rain, going a week and a half without seeing any sunshine always makes me feel very low energy. So we're gonna go outside and get some sunshine, and then we're just gonna have a nice self-care day and do some cozy hobbies and get out of this slump together. Lately, because I've been feeling pretty low, it's been difficult for me to eat enough fruits and veggies and drink enough water during the day because I just don't have the energy for it. And I saw a video that really inspired me. It was from a nutritionist, and she was saying that a really good tip if you don't have enough time or don't have the energy to eat fruits and veggies during the day is to go to the store and buy one of those party platters that have the ranch dip in the center and the different fruits and veggies that are already pre-cut for you on the side. And I thought that was such a great idea. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my own mini veggie platter and cut up some carrots and celery and make some hummus to dip. And that way I have a snack to eat throughout the week. And another thing that I really like to do to drink a little bit more water is to make infused water because it tastes so good that it encourages me to drink more water during the day. And then finally, for a sweet treat, I'm going to make myself some chocolate granola because I love having a little bit of chocolate granola with some yogurt and fruit. So I'm going to get cooking, and I'm going to put on some happy music. Really important here that the music is happy, and I'm mentioning that because I'm someone who loves to listen to a lot of soft and gentle music. However, sometimes that music can feel kind of low energy and it can bring my energy levels down. Lately, I've been listening to a lot of early 2010s indie rock like Passion Pit and MGMT. I really love that music because it reminds me of a happy time in my life, and it always kind of takes me back to simpler times, if you will. So I'm gonna put on some music and get started.
Watching you was such a thrill. All that I could do was laugh. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it back. We were running on that open shore. No saddle on his back. I never felt so free before. All that I could do was laugh. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it back. There I lay beneath the canopy on the gilded forest path, when an ecstasy came over me, and all that I could do was laugh. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it back. How could I hold it? I couldn't hold it back. From our head to toes, we are standing in the overflow. And there's more I know when we're standing in the overflow. We were swimming with the silver moon.
I've gotten a lot done today and I'm feeling so much better, but I'm definitely ready for a nice, calm, relaxing evening. And I want to spend the next couple of hours working on a crochet project that I'm really excited about. I'm making a sunburst granny square pillowcase, and I found this pattern online. I will link it below. It's super easy to follow and it looks so pretty. And I need to make about 16 granny squares for the pillowcase. I've already made most of them, but I need to finish up the granny squares, and then I'm going to crochet them together and use them to wrap around the pillow. So earlier today I picked up some more yarn from Michael's so I can finish my project. Hopefully I can get a lot done tonight, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to completely finish it. So I'm going to go get changed into pajamas, put on Bridgerton. I'm so excited for the new season, and then I'm going to work on some crochet. I finished all of my granny squares, and now I am connecting the squares in something called a continuous join. I'm very new to this, so it took me a few tries to finally get it right, but I'm making good progress. So I have 2 squares done, and then I'm going to connect more squares until I have the full pillowcase. I'm definitely not going to finish this tonight. In fact, I'm getting a little bit tired, but before I go to bed, I want to make something that I saw online called a Sleepy Girl Mocktail. It's made with tart cherry juice, which is supposed to help you sleep a little bit better. So I'm going to go make one of those and then get ready for bed. wanted to show you my progress on my granny square pillowcase. So I've stitched all of the granny squares together. It looks so cute and I love the colors so much. The only thing is, this is nowhere near big enough to wrap around this 18-inch pillow, and I followed the pattern. I'm not sure what I did wrong. I think I may have stitched the granny squares way too tight and maybe they weren't big enough, but I'm not worried about it. I'm just going to go in and do a basic granny stitch around the border until it's big enough. enough to wrap around the pillow, and I'm really happy with it. I'm going to keep these pillows in here on the couch, and I think they're gonna look so cute this summer. Before we say goodbye, I just wanted to take a moment to talk about something that I've been thinking about a lot this weekend. I think that when we're feeling low, a lot of us have the tendency, at least I know I do, to focus on the things that we're not doing enough of instead of the things that we are doing, that we should be proud of ourselves for doing. Even the most simple self-care activities like taking a shower or making a healthy snack for yourself, those are things that we should celebrate, because even though they seem very simple and small, those are the things that help us get back on track when we're feeling low and get out of a rut. I think it can be so easy to get stuck comparing ourselves to other people or trying to live up to this idea of where we should be at a certain point in our lives, and then we lose sight of what's really important to us and what really makes our lives happy. And for me, it's those little moments of joy that I find in the day that can really help me get through a difficult time and get back on track to enjoying my life. So my friends, no matter what you're going through in your life right now, whether it's something good or something difficult, I'm sending you the biggest hug. I'm so grateful to each and every one of you for being here. I love you all so much, and I will see you very soon. Goodbye, friends.